Vehicle emissions are considered as one of the main reasons behind the global climate change. The use of new technology, low-emission vehicles, the use of extent of clean public transportation, and non-motorized transportation such as bicycles can reduce the adverse effects of exhaust emissions. To enable the shift from conventional vehicles to clean and sustainable transportation, SGP projects achieve is to change the perception of people and help them understand the effects of their personal choices on global climate change. Nature Observers Society in Turkey is working towards this. With the Yüzyıl University, they organized events and trainings to students and local people regarding bicycle use. However, it is also a matter of a necessary infrastructure. For that, the grantee worked closely with municipality and university and has drawn the first bicycle routes in the campus, and created a bicycle renting system within the campus, provided safe driving and basic bicycle maintenance trainings to prospective bikers. They also organized bicycle tours and events in Mayfest. With the project, bicycle is acknowledged as a means of transport in where it was formerly considered as a kid's toy.